welcome back to Cooking Health with Hanna, Season 2. It's our remix, Safer at Home portion. We are going to listen to questions from others all around America.
Hey, this is Parker Thorne from Special Olympics, New Hampshire. Hey, Hannah, I love chips and dip. What's a healthier version? Thanks.
Thanks for that wonderful question, Parker. Well, hummus is a very healthy alternative dip to snack on. You get a terrific source of healthy fat from the avocado in my hummus. It has awesome protein and it's naturally gluten, nut, and dairy-free. David is joining me on Zoom today. Glad to have you, David.
Thank you for having me. It's great to be here.
Super. Let's get started. I'm going to put everything in the blender. I will add a fourth cup water, 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon fajita mix, a half seasoned salt, 1 14-ounce can garbanzo beans, drained and rinsed, a half medium avocado. I'll cut in half. Then I'll use a spoon to take out the pit and then scoop out the avocado. David, do you have your hummus ready for a taste test?
Yes, I do.
Wonderful. What veggies do you have to dip into your hummus today, David?
I actually have celery today.
Fantastic. Let's give it a try.
All right. It's good. I like it.
Fantastic. Thank you for your comment, David. The veggies give a nice crunch. If you really want chips, buy some multigrain chips because they are healthier. So, David, would you recommend this hummus to our viewers?
Yes, I would. I would recommend it. It is very good.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, David. And thanks for joining me. Tune in for more Cooking Health with Hanna. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Hopefully, you now feel comfortable making this recipe. Please give it a try. And thanks for watching.